Okay, good morning, my dear student, and namaste to my aspirants too. And today I am here in front of you, my dear student, in the topic today, that is international personality. Today I am going to begin the next and the new lesson for you all, my dear student. That topic is the international personality. Now we are in this lesson 6 of unit 3. So what is international personality? First of all, we must have to know about this concept. The international personality means antarashtriya vyaktitva. Okay, those person or the individual, okay, those person or the individual who are broad-minded, who think about this global family and did a great and the outstanding work for this mankind. They sacrificed their life not for their luxurious life, but for the people of this world, for the welfare of this mankind. Such types of the broad-minded people who always think about the world people, not for their personal life or this personal family. Such types of the individual who did the outstanding, marvelous work for this mankind, such types of the individual or the person are obviously known as the internationalist personality. And you know that, my dear student, I would like to say one thing for you all. Many people were born and die in this world. Okay? Many people born and die in this world, but very few people are successful to keep their name and the fame in all over the world by their extraordinary work and activities, by their welfare of this mankind. Such types of the individual are known as the international personality. उनीहरूलाई नै हामी अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय व्यक्तित्व भनेर सम्मान गर्छौं, नमन गर्छौं, आदर गर्छौं, and we always try to follow their path. त त्यस्ता खालका चाहिँ अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय व्यक्तित्वहरूले देखाउनु भएका मार्गदर्शनहरूलाई हामी एडप्ट गर्छौं, फलो गर्छौं र त्यही बाटोमा हामी हिँड्न रुचाउँछौं. त्यस्ता खालका चाहिँ व्यक्तिहरू जसले आफ्नो जीवन मानव सेवामा अर्पण गरे, व्यतीत गरे. Such types of the individual are obviously known as the international personality. And such types of the individual always remain in our mind, in our heart, in our soul. Such types of the individual were known as the international personality. Okay? Like this, you must have to understand, my dear student, about the concept of international personality. There are many more such types of this personality were born in this world. Yes, they are not remain in front of us, but they are always in our mind. So according to our book, there is mention about these two international personality. They are the Kailash Satyarthi and this Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. JR is mentioned there in the book, in the textbook. JR means junior. Okay, Dr. Martin Luther King. So now let's discuss about this introduction. Why they became this famous in the world, what they did for this mankind, and why we are compelled to learn about their biography, their history. So now first, Kailash Satyarthi. Okay, my dear student, I would like to start the short introduction about this Kailash Satyarthi. The actual his name is Kailash Sharma. Okay, actual his name is Kailash Sharma, and birth, he was born on 11th January 1954 AD in Vidisha. Actually, Vidisha lies in this India, in the Madhya Pradesh. Okay, he was born in 11th January 1954 in Vidisha in the Madhya Pradesh of India, and his nationality is Indian. He is Indian. Okay, and education, about his qualification. At the beginning time, he has attended government boys higher secondary school. He attended the government boys higher secondary school in town and completed his degree in his electronical engineer at Samarth Ashok Technical Institute in Vidisha, and did the postgraduate degree in high voltage engineering subject. He did this postgraduate, means he did the master degree, okay, in high voltage engineering, and he is known for के को लागि यिनी प्रसिद्ध भए त, what he did, in which field he did this contribution, he has spent his whole life, in which field and for what he is known for, उनी के का लागि चिनिन्छन् त, उनले के गरे त्यस्तो outstanding work and activities. Now we will discuss in the topic, okay my dear student, in this known for. त he launched the बचपन बचाओ आंदोलन. Simply to understand, he launched the बचपन yes बचाओ आंदोलन. It means that save the childhood movement. Hey, त now listen to me here. बचपन बचाओ आंदोलन भनेकै त save the childhood movement, and through this yes movement he lead the yes rescue of the over. Through this movement, okay my dear student, through this movement he lead the rescue भनेको बचाउने, okay, to save the children of the over yes and develop the successful model for their yes education and rehabilitation work and activities he did, okay. And now listen to me here, he rescue yes over the yes 83,000 yes slave children, orphan children who used to work in the factories, in garment factories, okay, in this garage, as well as in the circus. It is very difficult work for these children, okay. So that by launching this movement that is known as the Safe Childhood yes movement, he success to yes rescue over yes 83,000 yes such types of these children, and he brought the model to provide them the education as well as this rehabilitation work and activities. These are the outstanding work that has been yes done by the Kailash Satyarthi over 144 yes nation. 144 भन्दा बढी राष्ट्रहरूमा बचपन बचाओ आन्दोलन जस्ता चाहिँ के भन्दाखेरि आन्दोलनहरू सञ्चालन गरेर उनले 83,000 भन्दा बढी यस्ता चाहिँ के अनाथ बालबालिकाहरू है अर्फेन्स बालबालिकाहरू र चाहिँ के भन्दाखेरि डेन्जर र रेड लाइन एरियामा काम गरेका व्यक्ति मतलब चाहिँ बालबालिकाहरूलाई रेस्क्यु गर्ने काम, बचाउने काम र उनीहरूलाई शिक्षा प्रदान गर्ने काम र नयाँ जीवन दिने काम, रिहेबिलिटेशन्स गर्ने कामहरू उनले चाहिँ सञ्चालन गरे. दिस इज द आउटस्ट्यान्डिङ respectable yes work that he did in his life. So that I already yes recite you that those person or individual who are broad minded, who never think and thought about their personal life, or they are not limited only inside their own nations, but they are contributed, okay, for the mankind, for this welfare in all over the world. Yes, such types of the individual, such types of the personality are known as respectfully the international personality. Due to such types of the great work, valuable work, outstanding work, they always remain in our mind, in our heart, in our soul. Such types of the person or the individuals are known as the international personality. There is no doubt. Okay, my dear student, listen me now. And similarly, he is known for this Bachpan Bachao Andolan, and that the mean of the year Save the Childhood movement. Through this movement, he lead this rescue over this 83,000 child slaves over 144 countries and develop a successful model. He brought this successful model for this educations and this rehabilitation, पुनर्स्थापना जस्ता सम्मानजनक कार्य उनले चाहिँ गरे. For that we always remain him, so that he is categorized in the international personality. Okay, and award उनले के कस्ता चाहिँ अवार्डहरू के कस्ता चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि अवार्डबाट उनी सम्मानित भए त सम्मानित भए उनी. Now listen to me. The yes Asenier International Peace Prize from the Germany, okay, the Asenier International yes Peace Prize he got from the Germany in 1994. This is the great achievement in his life due to his great outstanding respected work that he did in his life, so that he was awarded by yes Asenier International Peace Prize from Germany in 1994 AD. Similarly, he also awarded by the Robert F. Kennedy Human Rights Award in 1995. He received such types of the award also. And yes, Alfonso Committee International Award he received in 2008. Once again, my dear student, he received the yes Alfonso Committee International Award in 2008. Similarly, yes, Medal of yes Italian Senate. He also awarded by this Medal of Italian Senate on 2007 AD. Similarly, Defense of Democracy, what a good name, okay. The Defense of his Democracy Award he received in 2009. Similarly, Nobel Peace Prize, this is the great achievement in his life. Now listen to me here. It is the outstanding, highly respected and decorated medal in all over the world. जो कोहीले यस्तो खालको चाहिँ अवार्डहरु प्राप्त गर्न सक्दैनन्, but due to the great contribution, outstanding performance and the great work in the sectors of humanity, in the sectors of human beings, in the sectors of mankind, he received, okay, the Nobel Peace Prize in 2014. This is the great achievement in his life, okay. And similarly, Harvard, humanitarian, award in 2015. So these are the award that has been received by our great respectful personality. His name is Kailash Satyarthi. Okay, the many people born and die in this world. Obviously, many more people born and die, but many are unknown in the heart, in the mind, as well as in this book. But very few people, broad-minded people, who contributed a lot for this mankind, okay, for the humanity. Such types of the individuals are respectively we call the internationalist personality. Among them, now we are discussing about this Kailash Satyarthi. Though he is Indian, no matter, but he did the great contribution for all over the world. He did not limit his work inside this Indian or territory of this Indian periphery, but he opened the door for the all country to rescue the the slave children, orphans, okay, identity-less childrens. And he started the paved बनेको जग बसाले pave. He started the paved how to make this such types of the children to live freely as we live in this world according to our choice. Okay, food, clothes, shelters, entertainment, freedom, justice, facility of the health, educations, love, care. Every individual need all such types of the things in their life, so that to provide such types of this basic needs to their slave children's, orphan children's, helpless children's, identity-less children's, he did the contribution in such types of these sectors, so that we remember him ever and forever. So his name is Kailash Satyarthi. So he is this international personality. And next one is that the Dr. Martin Luther King. Okay, so let's discuss about the short description about him. The name, the actual name of Martin Luther King is Martin Luther King Jr. Jr. means junior, means that the Martin Luther King Jr. is his actual name. Okay. Similarly, birth, when he was born then, he was born on 15th January 1929 AD in Atlanta. He was born in Atlanta in Georgia in this USA in America. Okay. And similarly, his nationality, he is the American, but he belongs to black race. Okay. And education, he studied sociology. What a ittafaq, okay. My subject is also sociology in master degree, okay. So he studied the sociology at this Morehouse College in Atlanta, and Boston University awarded him the PhD on this theological seminary. Actually, he started his study about the sociology, but he did this PhD in this what? Theology. Theology means Dharma Shastra, okay. Theology means what? Dharma Shastra. In this subject, he did this PhD, and he is known for civil right movement. Nagarik Adhikar Andolan. Nagarik Adhikar Andolan, it means an end of racial segregation. Segregation maneko algab, or you can just understand by the another word, discrimination. Okay. Yes. So he is known for civil rights movement, end of racial segregation and this discrimination, end of the discrimination between the black and white people in America. Okay. And he was awarded by this, he was decorated by this several prize by his outstanding work. Now listen me, Nobel Peace Prize, he received this Nobel Peace Prize in 1964. Similarly, presidential yes medal of freedom. Okay, here is given yes posthumous. Posthumous means मरणोपरान्त मरिसकेपछि उनले प्राप्त गरेको चाहिँ के भन्दाखेरि award that is known as the presidential medal of this freedom and yes congressional gold medal. So types of the award he received in his life. But there is this tragic end. Okay, many more people they sacrificed their life and did the great contribution in the sectors of mankind. There are so many people for such types of the individual. Some love such types of the work and some yes hate such types of the work. त धेरै मन पराउने मान्छेहरू पनि हुन्छन् हरेक मान्छेको जीवनमा. ओके, र धेरै घृणा गर्ने मान्छेहरू पनि हुन्छन्. त here is one yes tragic end about such types of this international personality. So I am going to yes explain about this, about his death. Okay, त after yes returning from the protest, है प्रोटेस्ट भनेको चाहिँ के विरोध र्याली जस्तो चाहिँ आयोजना भएको थियो इन अमेरिका. नाउ लिसन टु मी हियर. आफ्टर दिस रिटर्निङ फ्रम दिस प्रोटेस्ट अफ यस सैनिटेसन यस वर्कर्समा सरसफाई मजदुर हडताल या आन्दोलन सकेर चाहिँ उनी चाहिँ फर्किएका थिए. एन्ड हि वाज यस स्ट्यान्डिङ अन द सेकेन्ड फ्लोर अफ दिस ब्याल्कोनी अफ दिस लरिन यस मोटल. लरिन मोटलको चाहिँ दोस्रो तल्लामा उनी उभिरहेका थिए. सायद खानपान या जलपानको चाहिँ आयोजनाहरू त्यहाँ हुन गइरहेको थियो. Now listen to me here. त उनी केबाट फर्किएका थिए त भन्दाखेरि सरसफाई मजदुर यस हडताल आन्दोलनबाट उनी चाहिँ फर्किएका थिए. र लरेन चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि मोटल, एउटा मोटललाई ढाबा भनिन्छ. होटल भनेको त होटलै भइहाल्यो. अब मोटल भनेको ढाबा जहाँ तन्दुरी रोटीहरू, चिकन फ्राईहरू है, चिकन रोस्टहरू त्यहाँ पाइन्छ. ओके, त्यस्तो चाहिँ के त मोटलमा उनी सेकेन्ड फ्लोरमा अलिकति आफ्नो थकाइ मेट्नका लागि उनी उभिरहेको अवस्थामा उनी चाहिँ रहेका थिए इन दिस लरिन यस मोटल. रेसिस्ट एसासिनेटेड हिम अन दिस 4 अप्रिल 1968. र उनी चाहिँ के त मोटलको चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि सेकेन्ड फ्लोरमा दोस्रो तल्लामा आफ्ना सहपाठी साथीहरू सँग चाहिँ उनी उभिरहेका थिए. र त्यति नै बेला चाहिँ के त वाइट रेसिस्ट मध्येबाट कुनै एउटा व्यक्तिले सिङ्गल चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि राइफल्सबाट गोली चलाइन्छ र चाहिँ त्यही गोलीबाट उनको चाहिँ त्यहाँ के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि मृत्यु हुन्छ. र उनको चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि सबभन्दा महत्त्वपूर्ण आई हेभ अ ड्रिम, मेरो सपना छ. यद्यपि उनको मृत्यु भए तापनि उनको एसासिनेसन भनेको हत्या, मर्डर, ओके, भए तापनि उनको ड्रिम अमेरिकामा अझै मरेको छैन. द सच टाइप्स अफ द इन्डिभिजुअल्स हु डिड द ग्रेट कन्ट्रिब्युसन्स फर द यस मेनकाइन्ड, मानव जातिको लागि हाँसी हाँसी गलामा फाँसी लगाउने त्यस्ता व्यक्तिहरू, मानव जातिको चाहिँ कि त कल्याणका लागि चाहिँ कि त हाँसी हाँसी गाली मतलब छातीमा चाहिँ कि त गोली थाप्ने यस्ता व्यक्तित्वहरू जसले आफ्नो जीवन भन्दा पनि अरूको जीवनलाई कसरी राम्रो बनाउन सकिन्छ, कसरी उज्जवल बनाउन सकिन्छ, आउने दिनहरूमा उनीहरूलाई कसरी सहजता प्रदान गर्न सकिन्छ भनेर आफ्नो जीवन मानव जातिको लागि उनीहरूले समर्पण गरे. त्यस्ता व्यक्तित्वहरूलाई हामी आदरपूर्वक सम्मानपूर्वक अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय पर्सनालिटी भनेर भन्दछौँ. त माई डियर स्टुडेन्ट, लाइक दिस यु हेभ टु अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड अबाउट योर टपिक एन्ड द लेसन्स. एन्ड आफ्टर लर्निङ अल दिस थिङ्स, ओके, हामीले यी सब बायोग्राफीहरू, इन्ट्रोडक्सन्सहरू हामीले पढिसके पछाडि त क्वेसन के कसरी सोध्न सक्छ त? यो जरुरी छैन कि मैले नै भनेका चाहिँ क्वेसन्सहरू इक्जाममा आउँछन्. त हामी यहाँ किन उपस्थित भएका छौँ त विद्यार्थीहरूलाई कसरी आफूले चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि सृजनात्मक चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि उत्तरहरू उनीहरूले चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि सिर्जना गर्न सक्छन्. त्यो गर्न र गराउन हामी चाहिँ एक किसिमको चाहिँ के बाटो देखाउने माध्यम. वी आर लाइक ए यस क्यान्डल टु प्रोभाइड यु लाइट अबाउट दिस एजुकेसन. हामी सबै थोक होइन, ओके, हामी त बाटो देखाउने एउटा माध्यम मात्रै हो. एन्ड स्टुडेन्ट मस्ट हेभ टु यस लेबर हार्ड एन्ड डेभलप दिस देयर यस क्यालिबर and must not feel this lazy at the home. Okay, I kindly request to my yes lovable yes student. After learning all these things, what kinds of the question is asked in examination, that is our focus point. Okay, we are just now yes learn about the yes life of the yes Kailash Satyarthi as well as the Dr. Martin Luther King yes Jr. Maybe the question is asked to you like this. Okay, now listen to me here. List out the similarities. Okay, list out the similarities between this contribution that is made by Martin Luther King and yes Kailash Satyarthi in 4 points. त यी दुई व्यक्तित्वहरूको चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि अध्ययन गरिसके पछाडि है हामीले के बुझ्नुपर्ने हुन्छ त भन्दाखेरि यिनीहरूको बीचमा के समानता छ. Like this question may be asked in examination. Such types of the questions are given in the textbook also. There is no doubt. Obviously, it is given and mentioned in the S10 set also, in the S30 days practice also, and other publications solutions questions. Whatever it is, we found different stationery in this market. Okay. List out the similarities between the contribution made by Martin Luther King and the Kailash Satyarthi in 4 points. Like this, the question is asked. Okay, and take the idea with me, yes, my dear student. And now listen to me how you have to give the answer. If such types of this question is asked or may be asked in this examination. Now listen. Both King and Satyarthi work for this humanity. One for this black and another one for this child right. Okay, Martin contributed his whole life. He sacrificed his life. How to secure the justice in the favor of this black people? How to maintain the equality in the rights in this on the many streams of this state affairs. Okay, राज्यको हरेक संरचनाहरूमा काला जातिहरूको पनि समान हक र अधिकारलाई कसरी स्थापना गराउन सकिन्छ. ओके, भनेर उनी आफ्नो जीवनको चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि अन्तिम समयसम्म चाहिँ त्यो क्षेत्रमा उनले चाहिँ कन्ट्रिब्युसनहरू गरे. सेम एज कैलाश सत्यार्थी also did the contribution in the sectors of his children to guarantee their education, their freedom, their justice, education, yes or no? Facility of the health, entertainment. Whatever they did this contribution, one is in the sectors of black and another is in the sectors of his children, means that both are the humanity. काला जातिको बारेमा कार्य गरे तापनि या मतलब बालबालिकाको क्षेत्रमा कार्य गरे तापनि दुईटैको उद्देश्य के त भन्दाखेरि मानवताको क्षेत्रमा भएका कमी कमजोरीहरू है भएका चाहिँ के त भन्दा समस्याहरूलाई समाधान गर्ने कसरी समाधान गर्न सकिन्छ त्यस्ता क्षेत्रहरूमा दुवै यस्ता चाहिँ सम्माननीय के त भन्दाखेरि अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय व्यक्तित्वहरूले कार्य गरे. The similarity like this, my dear student, you must have to create the answer. Okay, and now listen to me here. Both King and Satyarthi fought against the slavery and the child labor. दुवैले चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि दास as well as the चाहिँ child labor बालबालिकाहरूलाई चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि पढ्न पठाउनुको साटो चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि एक किसिमको डेन्जरस जोनमा काम गर्ने वातावरण सिर्जना जुन चाहिँ के त विश्वमा विभिन्न चाहिँ क्षेत्रहरूमा भइरहेका थिए यसलाई कसरी हटाउन सकिन्छ त for the welfare of the mankind. Such types of this work that has been done by this both international personality, they are obviously this Kailash Satyarthi as well as Dr. Martin Luther King. Like this, my dear student, you have to create the answer in your examination. Yes, and similarly, both his King and Satyarthi, both his Martin Luther King and his Kailash Satyarthi, okay, they participated and launched the movement for this providing this justice. दुवैको उद्देश्य के थियो त भन्दाखेरि Dr. Martin Luther King plus Kailash Satyarthi, their main motto, their main objectives and the goal is that to provide the justice to this mankind, either children, either this black people. Okay, the such types of this great contribution in the sectors of humanity they did. This is also the similarity between these two personality. Like this, my dear student, you have to create the answer in your examination by learning this lesson. And last 4 is that, now listen to me here, both King and Satyarthi won this Nobel Peace Prize. This is also the similarity. This is also what? The similarity. Both King and Satyarthi won this Nobel Peace Prize for this valuable as well as the outstanding work. There is no doubt. So these are the similarities between what this Kailash Satyarthi and what? Martin Luther King. Like this, the question is asked and you have to create the answer like this. Okay. And similarly, in another way, how the question is asked in the examination, what lesson did you get? What lesson did you get from this biography of his Martin Luther King? Present your argument, or what lesson did you get from this Kailash Satyarthi? Anyway, the question is asked to you in examination. So listen me carefully. Okay, the what lesson did you get from this biography of this Martin Luther King? Present your argument in these 4 points. हामीले मार्टिन लुथर किङ जस्ता अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय व्यक्तित्वको बारेमा पढिसकेपछि हामीले कस्तो ज्ञान उनीबाट लिन सक्छौं त आफ्नो विचार 4 वटा बुदाहरुमा प्रस्तुत गर्नुहोस् भनेर विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरुलाई प्रश्नहरु सोधेको अवस्था छ, सोध्न सक्छ. Like this, the question is asked in this examination, my dear student. Or, what lesson did you get from this biography of this Kailash Satyarthi? Any way the question may be asked you in examination. So you must be ready to answer the question in examination without any fear. एकदम निर्धक्क भएर चाहिँ आन्सर लेख्न सक्ने सिर्जना आफूले आफूलाई गराउन सक्नु पर्यो विद्यार्थीहरूले लेसन पढिसकेपछि. The creation is most important. That must be create from the side of the student by taking the idea from the teachers and labor hard at this home. Develop your caliber. Okay, my dear student, now listen to me here. If such types of the question is asked in the examination, what lesson did you get from this biography of his Martin Luther King, then you have to create the answer like this. Now follow me. Point number first. We have to raise the voice for the freedom, right and the justice. हामीले जहिले पनि स्वतन्त्रता, अधिकार र न्यायको पक्षमा जहिले पनि बोल्न सक्नुपर्छ. In front of any power, in front of any barrier, in front of any problems. So we must have to raise the voice. हामी जहिले पनि स्वतन्त्रताका लागि, अधिकारका लागि र न्यायका लागि जहिले पनि आवाज उठाउन सक्नु पर्दछ. हामी हिचकिचाउन हुँदैन. That lesson I got from the biography of Dr. Martin Luther King. Like this, my dear student, you have to create the answer in your examination first. Now second, we should not follow war and this violence. हामी कहिले पनि लडाई र भाइलेन्समा संलग्न हुनु हुँदैन. War is not the solution of any problem. Conflict, thirst of misunderstanding, jealousy, risrag, hatred, घृणा is not the solution of any problem. So that we should not follow war and this violence. Rather than it, we should contribute for the peace. हामीले आफ्नो योगदान दिन सक्नुपर्छ. कस्ता क्षेत्रहरुमा? For the peace, for justice as well as the security. Like this, my dear student, you must have to create the answer in your examination, and I hope you will do that by taking what? The idea from your teachers in your related subject matters. I hope so. Now third, we should not discriminate any people on the basis of occupation, on the basis of race, on the basis of color, on the basis of sex. Sex means nothing is nonsense word. It means the male and female. It means the gender. महिला पुरुषको आधारमा पनि हामी कसैलाई पनि डिस्क्रिमिनेसन गर्नु हुँदैन. On the basis of his custom, on the basis of his community, on the basis of his occupation, on the basis of race, caste, religion, language, or the color. त हामीले कहिले पनि चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि जातीयताको आधारमा, क्षेत्रीयताको आधारमा, रङको आधारमा, धर्मको आधारमा, भाषाको आधारमा, पेशाको आधारमा, संस्कृतिको आधारमा कसैले पनि कसैलाई discrimination गर्नु हुँदैन. Such types of the lesson I got from the life of Dr. Martin Luther King. Like this, my dear student, you must have to create the answer in your examination. And similarly, we should be involved in eradicating भनेको हटाउँदै लैजान सक्नु पर्दछ. The date expire orthodoxy, date expire culture, evils, bad customs, and the many more problems, whatever it is prevalent in their society. Like this, you have to create the answer. Such types of this inspiration I got from this life of Dr. Martin Luther King. Like this, my dear student, you have to create the answer in your examination. And I hope by taking the idea, by attending this class in your home. I hope most of the students are getting what this idea and the knowledge how to create this answer. And thank you for you all for watching this all these things. And similarly, another way how the question is asked after by us learning this lesson that Kailash Satyarthi and the Dr. Martin Luther King in the topic internationalist personality. Okay, though Kailash Satyarthi is an Indian, how the question is asked in examination. Okay, take the idea, my dear student. Though Kailash Satyarthi is an Indian by this nationality, वतन को आधार में, देश को आधार में उन्हीं Indian हुन, but his contribution in the world is praiseworthy. उनले गरेका कार्य विश्वमा चाहिँ सम्मानजनक छन्. How? Justify the statement. This is your homework now at this home. Don't depend everything on this lecture of these teachers only. The student must have to open this lesson at the home and try to create the answer by taking what? All these ideas. Yes, Kailash Satyarthi is this Indian by the nationality, okay. But his contribution to this world is praiseworthy and the great, outstanding. Justify the statement. Like this, the question is asked. Similarly, I have found one question. कैलाश सत्यार्थीले जस्तै बचपन बचाऊ आन्दोलन हाम्रो नेपाली समाजमा चलाइयो भने के कस्ता परिवर्तनहरू हाम्रो समाजमा हुन सक्छ? Like this also. Okay, my dear student, like this also the question may be asked to you. The question जहिले पनि सोशल स्टडीमा लेसन विद्यार्थीले कतिको पढेको छ, कतिको बुझेको छ, how much time they spend on their social study, either they are learning this lesson at the home or not. त्यसको आधारमा विद्यार्थीहरूलाई जाँच्ने खालका क्वेशनहरू सोशल स्टडीमा आउँछन्. Okay, this is the reality, my dear student. Like this, the question is asked in this examination. Those person or the individual who did the great contribution in the sectors of mankind, who are the broad-minded, they always think and thought about this mankind. They never think and thought about their personal life and the family. And those people and individual who did the great contribution and they success to keep in, they are success to keep their name and their fame in all over the world, in each and every heart of this individual and this mind. Such types of this great contributor in the sectors of the mankind are obviously known as the international personality. Okay, so today we finish about this lesson 6 international personality, and again tomorrow I will present in front of you all, my dear student, in the same time. And this much for today, and thank you very much for watching me. Thank you, my dear student.